This initially come in for a couple of jobs. I think it was front seats, maybe a carpet set, maybe a couple of other little bits. But when the car landed, the guy changed his mind and was like, can you just retrim it? And I wasn't expecting that, but ultimately the fit and finish and the colour is just perfect now. And it's a 993 C4S, and it comes from factory with a chestnut brown leather with the chestnut carpet as well. The only things we didn't trim, wait for the plane to go. The only things we didn't trim was the black leather on the door cards and the black leather infill across the dashboard. And the reason for that is it's unique to the C4 or C2S and C4S 993s have this weird textured black leather. I don't know if it's available, I've never seen it, but there's nothing wrong with it. We've put new door panels on and reused that leather, but it just means it's factory spec C2S, C4S, the way it looks. So you've got your chestnut with this black textured leather there. But yeah, what a car. And it's 68,000 miles and it just looks like new now. So he's had it painted, he's had it trimmed. We just need to give it a final little detail on the outside, but pleased how it's come out because it is fresh. There we go. All in all, like really relatively straightforward retrim. There wasn't any hurdles or any problems. It was quite a simple retrim. So yeah, these I normally sew what you see.
So 5 on those.
It's about 3, maybe 4. It's not a lot.
Okay.
Start point in there, and then that will be joined there, and then again it will start there. So what you will do is, because this was a concept, that you mark it as you see it. That's a good pattern.
Okay.
But this one, you'll get your 10mm sewing pen. Bye. Did we slacken that off a little bit? I think we may have done, because it does get in the way of it. when it came in, there was a patchy area on the door panel that had a bit of mould on it. I think the leak and the smell was door membranes. I think it was washing through the door and back into the cabin, which we deep cleaned, because that was one of the things that we didn't trim, with the door panels, because it had this unique black textured finish to it, which is not available. So we left the door panels and the dash inlays.
What does it help you?
That, yeah, it just adds a bit of bulk.
Wait, that's so
I like to spray the glue. Backing singers.
Yeah. Where does it end then? Why are you not gluing? What's going on there?
Copy what factory, bro.
Ah, factory.
Not making this shit up. Works at the time. You've got to be careful, because I've got it there. Look at it curling up. Handle here with a screw.
Right.
And it's literally just caught it there. But look
Oh
how
shit, I see.
you see how close it is?
Is it damaged?
Yeah, I've painted it, but it's not good enough.
Oh, there. What are you going to do about that?
I'll retrim it. just like that, back together. All going back together. The silver metallic paint with the red, it just looked really nice. I mean, I'm a huge fan of black interiors, but that as a combination is quite nice to look at.
What did the owner think of it?
Oh, he loved it. Yeah, he absolutely loved it. I can't remember his exact words, but I think he said it was better than what he was expecting.